And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I want to have a look at film simulations in the Fuji cameras. Not the actual simulations themselves and how they look in different situations, but what and how they compare to the film simulations in Lightroom and Capture One when you add them to the RAW file. So we're going to compare the JPEG straight out of the camera to the RAW files with the simulations added in Lightroom and Capture One. So we'll stick those in the computer and we'll have a look. As we can see in this comparison, I've got the Capture One standard and Lightroom standard, which are quite different. We're getting to ASTIA. There isn't a huge difference. PROVIA, yep, they're pretty much the same. NEG standard, I think the Capture One's a bit lighter, and in high, Lightroom leans a bit more saturation. In classic chrome, I think Capture One and Lightroom slightly different, but in ETERNA, no, nothing much in it at all really. And once we hit VELVIA, I think Lightroom's a bit more saturated, and with Acros I think you're looking at a bit more contrast in the JPEG. So if we're getting close, as you can see, the standards were a bit definitely different. I think looking at the rest, they're all pretty much the same across the board. I think Lightroom NEG standard's a little bit more saturated. Again with the high, I think it is compared to Capture One. Classic chrome, Lightroom a bit more saturated again. Looking on my monitor, ETERNA's about the same. VELVIA, I think got a bit more saturation in Lightroom compared to Capture One. And in Acros, yeah, not much in it at all. So looking at the images on the computer and comparing them, I think really Lightroom and Capture One have both done a very good job at getting these simulations near enough spot on. There's some minor differences on them, but nothing really that shouts at you. So I think you're pretty safe whether you use Capture One or Lightroom and you want to add the film simulations, the Fuji film simulations to your RAW files. They're actually going to look very similar to the JPEGs. Obviously the advantage of being able to edit the RAW files and get the full dynamic range and all the latitude you can get out of them. So that was my look at the film simulations Lightroom Capture One compared to the JPEG straight out of the camera. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.